Alright, YouTube, we back. So I got all the bolts loose. Got this loosened up here. I might end up taking this off though. Might take that off. We got it here with our 7mm. I'm loosening up this here. We can slide this a little bit. Slide this a little bit. Alright, so I think this is loose as we gonna get it for now. Yeah, I think this is loose as we gonna get it. Take it up here and tweak it like this. Alright, y'all, so the goal right now is just to get this pump out. All this gonna come loose. So it's gonna probably easy right up in here. A little bit, see? Pump come out. Get it to come back out some more, y'all. Hold on. This boat ain't all the way out. Loose. 13. Uh-oh. Alright, let's find a 13. Alright, so we're gonna try to go ahead with this. We'll try to hold our gasket back here in. I don't want to take it out, but I don't want it to fall. So I'm just gonna pry this out a little. Pry space. Pry some more, y'all.